Want to learn how to delete your playlist on a Spotify app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Search for the playlist that you want to delete. You can go to recently played as well if you have played quite a few time ago. Otherwise, you can tap on this gear icon on the top right corner, tap on your profile with view profile option. Here on your own profile, you can see one of the playlist. If you want to delete it, you can tap on it and hold it for a few seconds. Just by doing it, you'll get an option of delete playlist. Tap on delete playlist, and if you're sure you want to delete this particular playlist, tap on delete. You have successfully deleted this particular playlist. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.